What's up, guys? Today we're talking about the Nubia Blade V70 Max, a smartphone that'll catch your eye for under $300. But the question is, does it live up to the price? Let's find out. The V70 Max arrives in a sleek gray finish with what feels like a polycarbonate frame and glass back. It's not the lightest, but it feels pretty solid, especially with the drop resistance claim, though it looks a little flimsy. Its design kind of feels like the love child of Honor and Realme, mainly because of the camera bump, which I gotta admit looks kinda cool. Now, let's talk about the front. You've got a 6.9-inch screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, but here's the thing. The display looks nice indoors, but take it outside and it kinda struggles under the sun. Brightness maxes out, but it still feels hard to read. And about the sound? Not bad at all for an entry-level phone. The mono speaker's pretty decent with clear mids and highs. Plus, you get that 3.5mm headphone jack, an underrated feature these days. Fingerprint sensor on the power button? Fast and reliable. Face unlock? Meh, it's a hit or miss. So stick with the fingerprint if you want something that works every time. Cameras? Surprising! The 50MP main sensor and 8MP selfie camera do a solid job in decent lighting. It's no flagship camera, but Nubia's AI post-processing does help make photos look pretty good for the price. Colors are a bit on the dull side, but hey, it's still nice for quick shots. The software, it's iOS 15 based on Android 15. Clean, simple, and mostly stock Android. But we did notice a bit of lag in scrolling and touch input. Nothing crazy, but it's there. Gaming? Not so hot. Genshin Impact runs. But you'll need to drop the settings down and don't expect flawless performance. Still, for light gaming or daily tasks, it does the job. Battery life? Well, it's okay. 6000 mAh underperforms slightly with just 16+ hours of video playback. But again, it's decent enough to get through a full day. So there you have it, the Nubia Blade V70 Max. For just $256, it's not perfect, but it's a solid option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly phone for everyday use. The cameras impress, the performance is decent, and it gets the basics right. What do you think? Is the V70 Max a good deal or a pass for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Catch us on our socials, and as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.